Everyone thinks the best-selling car air freshener is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Hugalife Car Air Freshener Diffuser. First up, we have the Hugalife Car Air Freshener Diffuser. Priced at $8.49, this 2-pack caught my eye not just for its affordability, but also for its elegant hanging design. If you're looking for a way to make your car smell amazing while adding a touch of style, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This diffuser uses high-quality essential oils instead of harmful chemicals, which means you can enjoy a pleasant vanilla cream scent without worrying about your health. The long-lasting formula promises over 45 days of continuous fragrance, so you can enjoy a fresh car without constant replacements. Plus, with over 4,200 reviews and a solid 4-star rating, it's clear that many people love this diffuser. Now, some people complained about the scent being too subtle. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a gentle aroma that doesn't overwhelm your senses, this diffuser is perfect. But if you're after a strong, in-your-face fragrance, it might fall short for you. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and non-toxic way to keep your car smelling nice. Skip this one if you prefer something with a stronger scent profile. For just under $9, it offers great value for a quality product. Now, if the subtlety of the Hugalife diffuser concerned you, the next one really cranks up the scent intensity. Product number 2. Vertically Activated Charcoal Odor Absorber. Next up is the Vertically Activated Charcoal Odor Absorber, retailing at $19.79. This one caught my attention because it's not your typical air freshener. If you're dealing with strong odors in your car, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These charcoal bags are designed to absorb smells rather than just mask them. They contain natural bamboo charcoal, which is highly porous and can tackle everything from musty odors to pet smells. Each bag lasts up to 2 years, and with over 17,700 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, it's clearly effective. You can even place them in other areas of your home. Now, some users mentioned that it takes a few days to notice a difference. Here's the thing though, if you're tired of overpowering fragrances and want to eliminate odors at the source, the wait is totally worth it. But if you're looking for an instant fresh scent, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you want a natural and effective solution to odors in your car. Skip this one if you prefer a quick fragrance boost. For under $20, it's a solid investment for a fresher vehicle. That was a great odor eliminator. But if you're looking for something that brings classic fragrance back into your ride, this next option is a fan favorite. Product number 3, Little Trees Black Ice. Now we have the Little Trees Car Air Freshener in Black Ice, priced at $18.99. This one is a classic that caught my eye for its bold fragrance. If you're after a masculine scent that lingers, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Little Trees has been around since 1952, and their black ice fragrance combines notes of sandalwood, bergamot, and lemon. This means it doesn't just mask odors. It transforms your car into a fresh and inviting space. With a staggering 28,500 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, people clearly love this scent. Now, some folks noted that the scent can be overpowering. Here's the thing though, if you enjoy a fragrance that announces itself, this is perfect. But if you prefer something more subtle, you might find it a bit much. This is perfect for you if you want a strong and distinctive scent for your car. Skip this one if you're sensitive to strong fragrances. At around $19, it's a classic that delivers on both quality and scent. Alright, if the boldness of Little Trees isn't your style, the next product offers a more refined approach to car fragrances. Product number 4, Little Trees Vanilla Aroma. Next, let's talk about another Little Trees option, but this time it's the Vanilla Aroma, priced at $19.99. This scent caught my attention for its inviting sweetness. If you're a fan of warm, comforting fragrances, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Vanilla Aroma blends fruity notes with creamy vanilla, coconut milk, and sugarcane. This makes for an uplifting and cozy environment in your car. With the same impressive 4.6-star rating from 28,500 reviews, people clearly appreciate the comfort it brings. Now, some users mentioned that the scent doesn't last as long as they expected. Here's the thing though, if you love the initial burst of fragrance and don't mind refreshing it occasionally, you'll still enjoy this product. But if you want something that lasts for weeks without a touch-up, it could be a drawback. This is perfect for you if you enjoy sweet and cozy scents while driving. Skip this one if you want a long-lasting fragrance without the need for replacements. For just under 20 bucks, it's a great option for those who love vanilla. Now, if you're looking for something more sophisticated and stylish, the final product might just be what you need. Product number 5, Car Air Freshener. Finally, we have the Car Air Freshener, priced at $12.95. I was drawn to its unique design and natural ingredients. If you're looking for a classy way to keep your car smelling great, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This air freshener uses essential oils and comes in a stylish wood design that you can clip onto your visor. The teak scent has notes of amber, cedar, and teakwood, creating a sophisticated aroma. With a 3.8-star rating from 21,500 reviews, it's clearly appealing to many. Now, some users found the scent to be a little too subtle. Here's the thing though, if you want to avoid overpowering fragrances and prefer a more natural, refined scent, this is ideal. But if you're after something that hits you right away, it might not be strong enough. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, natural air freshener that complements your car's interior. Skip this one if you need a bold scent that fills your vehicle immediately. At just under 13 bucks, it's a fantastic way to elevate your driving experience. So there you have it. We looked at the Hooga Life diffuser for style, the Vergely charcoal bags for odor elimination, the Little Trees black ice for a bold fragrance, the vanilla aroma for sweetness, and the Drift air freshener for sophistication. Each product has its strengths, so choose based on what fits your vibe best.